pilot speaking. Once again, thank you for flying Barely Airlines Flight 406127. Direct service to Tucson. Sit back and then 30,000 feet flight attendants Darla and Stacy. We do realize you're currently 61 degrees. No smoking.
You know that didn't make much sense, right?
That's affirmative. Coming up on 20 years of service, and
You don't care anymore?
Correct. You find that when you're a pilot, you can get away with anything as long as you talk like this.
Really?
Roger that. I'll give you a quick demonstration.
Here we go!
Enemy spotted.
Hello? Anybody home?
NANI?! Enemy spotted. I tried so hard. What the fuck was that?
Really, nigga?
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Pushed as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing you should know. I've put my trust in you. Pushed as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one
Enemy spotted.
you should know. I tried so hard.
Here we go!
But in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. But in the end, it doesn't even matter.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Do it! Do it!
Come on, kill me! I'm here! Come on! Do it now! Kill me! What's up?
This is win, 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 win! This is win, win, win!
NANI?!
I'm dying. Help me.
No, 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 no.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Really, nigga?
I tried so hard.